What's up, traders? Welcome back to Forex Life. If this is your first time on this channel, please smash that subscribe button, comment down below that you have subscribed and how long you've actually been with Forex Life. Turn on your notification bell so you will get notified when I do post a brand new video. So this video over here, as you guys can see, the date is the 18th of October. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run through the spike detector system that Forex Life has. If you are interested in purchasing the system, the link is in the description down below where you can join my free Telegram group, and you can also get my private contact details, my Telegram handle, as well as my WhatsApp number to purchase this amazing indicator. It only costs $80 for the system. Okay, so I'm just gonna run through the 18th of October, which is today, and show you guys your potential earnings that you could have made just by using the system and following the rules. So the rules of the system I have posted in my previous video. I'll drop the link down below. You will also see it at the top right hand corner of your screen, so you can click on that to watch the video of the spike detector system and the rules that you need to follow in order to use the system. So I'm just going to run through it real quickly. So we're currently on boom 1000, and we're going to run through it and see how many spikes you guys could have caught today with the system alone. Okay, so over here, okay, let's start at the beginning. Okay, so this would have been our first signal over here, and you guys would have caught these spikes. So that's a win, that's a win, that's another win. That's 3 wins already, but that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 spikes. Okay, that's 23 spikes that you guys would have caught already if you held a trade. If you're only going based off the spike detector and catching one spike at a time and moving the stop loss into profits, you would have caught all of this, which is 5 spikes. You would have caught this one, 6. You would have caught that one, which is 7, 8, 9. So 9 spikes over there, 10, 11, 12, 13 spikes. This would have been a loss. Okay, so this would have been 3 losses and 13 wins, which give an average of 10 wins. Okay, once it turns red, you guys know the rules. It is in the previous video. Go ahead and watch that. The link will be in the description below. But here you guys can see the wins that you guys would have made today, and this is just on boom 1000. Okay, let's move over to boom 500 and let's see what the market had available for us today. These trades we wouldn't have taken, of course. Let's go all the way back to the beginning of the 18th and to the start around about here. Massive profits over there, massive profits over there. Would have entered here, spiked all there, sniper entry, another sniper entry over here. This would have gone into profits, not much profits, but it would have been profits. That's another profitable trade over there. And then of course with this retest happening to the support, these 3 trades over here would have been a loss, and this one would have been a win. So if we just look at this, that's 1, and we're just counting individual spikes, we're not talking about the overall trend. So just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that's 8 wins and 2 losses. 8 wins, 9. That's also a win. It's a small win, but it's a win. So 9 wins, 2 losses. And in these trades we wouldn't have taken. Okay, that's on boom 500. Boom 300, let's have a look what the market had for us today. The 18th. And 18th to the start over here. Immediately you guys would have made profit. So that's 1 win, 2, 3. That's a break even, so I'm not going to call that a win. Okay, so that's 3 wins. 4, that's also break even. I'm not going to take that as a win. So 5, and that's also break even. So that's 5 wins on Boom 300 over there. Then it went into a downtrend. 5, 6, that's break even. That's a small win. 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a very small win, but that's 10. So there's no losses there. These trades we wouldn't have taken, of course, if we follow the rules of the spike detector system. So that's 10 wins already on Boom 300. Now we're going to move over to Crash 1000, and we're going to start on the 18th. So here lots of profits would have been made already. So round about here the 18th started. So this would have been our first trade that would have taken. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a loss. So it's 1 loss, 6, 7, 8. That's a loss, 2 losses. 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 losses. 13. Sorry, it would have been 12. We wouldn't have taken this trade. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We wouldn't have taken this trade. 17, 18, 19. 19 wins, 4 losses. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So on Crash 1000, you'd have had 25 massive wins and only 4 losses. So that is the power of the Forex Life Spike Detector system, guys. You can get your copy today for only $80 before price increases, because we have seen some amazing results from the system. 25 wins, 4 losses, and that's just on Crash 1000 for one day only. And then let's head over to Crash 500 and let's start the day. Today, let's see, the 18th. So the 18th would have start over here. Over here. So that's 1 win, 1 loss. 2 losses, 2 wins, 3 losses. Okay, 3 losses, 2 wins. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 wins, 3 losses, 4 losses. 4 losses, 9 wins, 9, 10, 11. And we currently have a spike signal over here. So 11 wins, 4 losses. The win ratio over here is still outstanding. It's still beating your losses. So 4 wins is fine. If you're taking 4 losses, sorry, not wins, losses. If you're taking 4 losses and each loss is $5, that is giving you a $20 loss. But you're walking away with, what was this? 13? 11? I can't remember. Let's just say 10, for example. I think it was between 11 and 13, but let's just say it was 10. That's $50. So you lost 20, but you're gaining $50 profit for the day, which is insane. And that's just on one pair. And then we're moving over to Crash 300 at the moment. So we're going to go start our day at the 18th of October 2022. So it starts around about here. We wouldn't have taken those trades as it is an uptrend. So that's a break even. We're not going to count that. So that's one massive win. But let's just count it as 1, 2. That's a break even. Actually, that's not, that's a little bit of profit. So that's a win. 3, 4, 5. 5, 1 loss. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 losses, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 15 wins, 3 losses. This is a loss. This trade over here we would not have taken. However, look at those massive profits. Would have been a nice sniper entry, but we follow the rules of the system no matter what. So that was 15 wins, 3 losses, and that's on Crash 300. So as you guys can see, when we started the video, the spike detector system gave us 2 arrows, and what happened? The spike area was blue and massive profits on Boom 1000 over there, guys. So this is the power of the Forex Life spike detector system. Please note there are many scammers out there that has been using Forex Life's system to make their videos. They have been stealing videos from my channel as well based off my spike detector system, selling it for $200. And I will repeat this, I repeat it in my Telegram group all the time. It will not work. It will push out false signals based on the licenses that is encoded into the system itself. So once you purchase the system, you need to send through your demo account number and your live account number. It will be linked to 2 accounts of your choice, demo and live, and that is where the system will work. If you purchase from anyone else, you can go into my Telegram group and you can go and check the history. People have been scammed. They have sent me screenshots of them paying other people that claiming to sell my system to them, and the signals on their end and the signals on my end that the system was giving at the time was not matching up, and they were making tons of losses because they were scammed by other people. Okay, so just be aware of scammers out there, guys. If you want the system, message me directly, privately. I will not message you first. I will never initiate a conversation with you in order for you to purchase anything from Forex Life. This is your choice at the end of the day, but nevertheless, as you guys can see, it is an amazing spike detector system. If you guys are interested, click on the link below to join my Telegram channel, get some free signals from the channel, build up your funds in order to purchase. There's no rush in purchasing the system. It's not going anywhere. It's easy for you guys in order for you to grow your accounts at the end of the day. So I hope to see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, so anyone that is struggling with trading will also be able to benefit from this. I'll see you guys on the next video.